It just in, tornado coming 483 kilometers per hour, stretching moved then 2 miles across, just hit New York City. Now to our correspondent, Angelina.
As you can see, there is flooding on the streets, massive amount of damage to cost over $1 billion, said street officials. But thank goodness there's no casualties. I am here with our eyewitness, Brandon. Okay, Brandon, so what did you see?
It's really a horrific event. I saw buildings just being ripped from their foundation. Cars were rolling all over the streets. It's absolute mayhem. There was flooding everywhere, and I saw my own house just get ripped apart, while I just escaped. It was really awful.
Wow, what an experience. Now back to our anchor with our experts in the studio.
Thank you, Angelina. We are here with our expert to tell us more about the hurricane we just experienced.
Well, this tornado was big, with winds reaching up to 483 kilometers an hour and stretched across more than 2 miles long. This was a Category 6 tornado, meaning it was the biggest tornado in North America.
Thanks, John. That's the end of this broadcast. CP23 signing out.